Birds do it, bees do it, farmers working on their knees do it. Let's do it, let's fall in love.
Some very amorous bluebirds enjoying each other and this beautiful spring day. We've had a week of, or more of, wet, cold weather, even snow, and now everyone is cavorting. Birds and bees too. It's a bluebird day.
We have lots of birdhouses scattered all around the farm. And this time of year we see lots of activity as those cavorting bluebirds and other cavity nesting species make their way to the birdhouses and start to build nests. Before long, if everything goes just right, we'll have some new residents to share the farm with here at Riverhill Farm.